In this video, I will show you how to adjust data in MS Excel. Once you try to print, we can see we have this data and you need to print in one worksheet in A4 paper size. So you have to adjust this data according A4. So click on view and here click on this page break. See where the page breaks will appear when your document is printed. So once you click on it, you can see the what area will be printed once you try to print, and you can adjust from here like this. So in the page layout, in print area, so click on set print area. So once you try print, so sometimes it's not appear properly. So in margin select normal and paper size, so select A4, and here you can select this fit sheet on one page. Another option, fit all column on one page, and another option, fit all rows on one page. So see the difference between which is the better for you. So this way you can adjust data in your Excel worksheet once you try to print. Thanks for watching.